Hello, welcome to Hembas Media. So let's dive into today's tutorial. You'll be needing a pair of scissors. You need elastic strand. You'll be needing some alphabet beads. These alphabet beads they're used for customizing. You can customize the people's name on it, maybe the acronyms and everything. You need a shining bead, or it depends on any type of beads you prefer. You also need glass bead. Like I said, any type of bead you prefer to make your own unique kind of bead, you just go for it. And then you also need this silver deco. It's like a stopper. It's used for decorating. If you don't want it to be too paparazzi, you want something simple. So what I'm doing here is that I am inserting the alphabet beads first that I'm using for the customization, so that the beads will stand out. So I'm inserting the alphabet bead first. So after doing that, I make sure it is aligned. It is in the middle because I want it to be in the middle while I'm inserting the other beads. So after aligning it, I started inserting the bead from the left and to the right. So I inserted some I started them with the same number, left and right. So if I'm using 20 beads, I'm inserting 10 on the left and 10 on the right. So that's what I did to make sure that they're going to be aligned. So right here, I've inserted all the beads right here. So the next thing is to knot it. So in order for the bead not to easily break, you have to knot it very well. So I went the first time, and then the second time I I went twice in order for the bead not to break easily. So you go the first time, and then you go round it again the second time. By doing this, you are securing your bead. I'm going to be sharing a tip on how to package your gifts, your beads, to present it to your customer. Even if you don't have a printer, like I said, creativity is a lifestyle for us. So I'm going to share it at the end of this video. So please stay tuned to watch to the end to see the way I package this. Even without having a box, you can package it and to look very beautiful. How I made my homemade card, you're going to see that. Just stay tuned to the end of the video. So yeah, I'm giving it a pull to see that it is secure, it's not breaking easily, and that's what we're trying to achieve. It will be good for your customers to wear their beads, and it's all over. So what I did is that I have to for this video to be short. So what I did is that I just the second layer of the bead, I did the same thing, but this time around without the customized bead. So I inserted all the beads without the customized bead. So this is the third layer of the bead that I'm making use of the glass bead. So this particular one, I'm going to be inserting the glass bead. I'll insert the glass bead. I insert like a four, like you can see here. Then I inserted the silver ring. I'm going to drop a link where you can see how you can insert the silver ring, because the silver ring has a very small high, and it's not all elastic strand that can pass through it. So if you're interested, you can drop the comments below, so I will show you. I will do a video on how I did that without using any equipment. You can use the things you have at home. You can use the things you have at home. So yeah, I give it a tie in order to secure it, like I did with others. So you have to secure it very. Remember, this is a glass bead, and if it touch the floor anyhow, if it keeps falling, it will crack. Its glass, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So you have to go twice to secure it. And now I'm giving it a pull. You can see that I'm giving it a pull here to see how secure it is. Then I cut out the excess out of it. All right. So here are three sets men's bracelet is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it's so easy and beautiful. Yeah, you can see how beautiful it looks. Very, very beautiful. And I'm sure if you give this to your loved ones, they will really appreciate. Oh, they'll be so happy. And yeah, okay, so this is the magic where you have to do your DIY customization. You don't have a printer, you don't have. So yeah, I just got a card. I cut it little. I use my Cerealite pen to decorate it. You can use any kind of pen you like, decorate it and make it look beautiful. So yeah, I try to pick it up because it's sticky, it's on a sticky mat. So you can see how beautiful it is. Very beautiful. You don't need a printer. So I just use a puncher to create a hole in it. So after punching a hole in it, the remaining strand, like the little part that I cut away from those strand, you tie them together with, use them to tie the three beads together. Then you just put one part of the strand into the hole of the card. Then you knot it together. Then you get this packaging bag, very beautiful. It's affordable. It's not expensive. It's cheap. It's affordable and it's presentable. You put it inside and then you give it a knot and present it to your customer and they will really really like it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll be expecting you.